Hi, loves! Kilonotes has made studying for exams so much easier. Today, I will be sharing some features and hidden tips I use while studying to get better grades. If you are a novice to paperless learning, this video will be very helpful to you. The last feature is very useful, but only a few people know about it. Please note, there might be slight differences in the use of some features between iOS and Android. I'm using a Samsung tablet, but don't worry if needed. I will also produce learning tips for the iPad. What model is your tablet? Let me know. Before starting your studies, please ensure you have enabled the S Pen to text feature in your settings. This is crucial for converting handwriting into text. 1. Note classification. You can rename, delete, or move each note by clicking on the right side of it. You can also quickly organize different notes by clicking on the icon at the top left. Within the settings located at the top right, there is a feature for merging notes. You can choose to merge multiple notes while deciding whether to delete or keep the original notes. Before your notes become completely disorganized, it's beneficial to classify and organize them according to different subjects. Cultivating this good habit will facilitate quick reading and referencing. 2. Paper margin adjustment. I used to often run out of space while taking notes, but not after I found this hack. After importing a book into Kilonotes, I often use the paper margin adjustment feature on the note-taking page. You can choose different types of paper, replace it with your preferred colors, and freely adjust the margin space as needed. Now, I don't have to worry about running out of space. 3. Note template. Click to create a note. Kilonotes provides a variety of cover styles, and you can also upload your own images. There are all sorts of templates for you to choose from for the inner pages. Selecting the right paper is key to achieving aesthetic notes. Of course, you can also directly download and import pre-made aesthetic templates, which is simple and fast. 4. Handwriting to text conversion. Kilonotes can save your messy notes with its neat and beautiful font styles. It comes with various inbuilt font styles, and if you can't find the one you want, you can import it yourself. Then, you choose a suitable color and adjust the font size. The Android version of the text function supports paragraph matching, making your notes more standardized. 5. Lasso feature. This will be a tool you must use while studying. It has many features, and I'll introduce a few I commonly use while studying. First off, resizing and color changing can help highlight the selected content. Then there's the search feature, which can search not only cards and current notes, but also every note and ebook you have in Kilonotes, helping you to quickly summarize and collate knowledge points. Lastly, the screenshot and text extraction features are what I use the most. 6. The Flashcard feature. When it comes to revising for exams, my go-to tool is the Flashcard feature. I can create content within it or extract from ebooks and notes, categorizing them into appropriate folders and assigning colors for easy reference. The search feature allows me to find flashcards by keywords. I love using this function for making revision notes. By clicking the icon in the top right corner, I can drag the flashcard content onto paper, adjust its transparency, crop it, or extract images in one click. The Lasso tool allows quick extraction of text from the card, which is much more convenient than handwriting. 7. Line and Shapes tool. When I'm tackling math and physics problems, I often need to draw diagrams. Kilonotes helps me replicate shapes just like those in textbooks. Before drawing, you need to check if you've enabled the line and shape drawing features. Once selected, you can freely sketch the shapes you want, and the app will automatically refine them to look neat and standardized. You can also select from existing shapes within the image and adjust them as needed. I can't solve math problems without these customizable coordinate axes. 8. Recording and super whiteboard. Have you ever experienced the frustration of not being able to keep up with a teacher as they speedily sketch out key points? The recording feature on Kilonotes brings hope. It allows you to adjust the speed, move forward and backward, and mark key sections. The Super Whiteboard lets you quickly jot down key points conveyed in class. It acts as your scratch paper, where you can doodle freely. Just circle the content you want to keep and swiftly drag it onto your page, or paste it all in one click. No more worries about missing out on exam key points. 9. Tape Tool. A tool that can be used to highlight or cover key content, facilitating convenient review and memory reinforcement. I often use this tool when I need to remember lots of terms and concepts, as it helps with active recall. 10. Hidden Space. Lastly, let me share a secret with you. In the About Us section of the settings, there is a hidden space that requires a password to access. You don't have to worry about notes stored here being seen by others. Are you aware of this feature? If you find the above study tips useful, remember to like and save. Feel free to share in the comments which features of Kilonotes you find helpful.